How many women do you have participating in this study? Well, how was your last session? Like, how did it go? Is that why you're calling me?
Pulled up on a unicorn in a custom-made uniform with the joint and I just threw it on. After she told me she was moving on, ain't my mirror saying Benji, you the dawn. No Louis Vuitton or a Cuban on me at the movie con, bro. All her boobies gone. They think we're doing porn. My only concern is I left my computer on. The brains like shapes, I've got it perfect to the form.